Mining.com.au is coming to you once again from the floor of the Noosa Mining Conference. Sitting next to me is Matt Boyes, the Managing Director for Pacgold. Matt, it's a pleasure to see you again. How are you?
Thank you, Shae, as usual.
Now, you've got a lot happening within Pacgold at the moment. First things first, let's touch on the news that came out regarding the St George project. Mate, what's going on here? I read your announcement, but you take me through it.
Yeah, we've kicked off St George really quickly this year.
Yeah.
We started a full geochemical and rock chip survey over the top of the main area, which is about 14 kilometres of strike from an area called Fence Ridgeline, and then all the way up to St George, which was an existing historic antimony mine. We've got some fantastic rock chip results, up to 55% antimony. We got some high grade gold, 10 grams, all sticking out of the ground at surface. And we've just completed the geochem survey, so we'll have more target generation from that geochemical survey. And this weekend we start drilling. So the rig arrives tomorrow. It was supposed to arrive yesterday. The drillers are what they are. Arrives tomorrow, and we start drilling on the weekend. So great.
So that's awesome. The White Dam Gold project, full steam ahead.
Yeah.
You are planning to bring this into production next quarter, but I believe there's a site visit coming up for this one.
Yeah, there'll be another site visit. I'm going down again next week. We've got a mining consultant on, Mr. Mike Nelson, coming down as well. It's just basically getting all the ducks in line. We're relining one of the ponds. We'll have the Mines and Energy, Department of Energy and Mines on site as well, giving us a tick in the box, basically to restart irrigation of the pad. We're turning over the western edge of the pad, and it's really trying to just make a bar of gold. It's trying to get this thing back into production, because at $6,400 an ounce gold, if you can produce 1,000 ounces, that gives us $6.5 million worth of revenue. And trying to be a junior and raising that money is hard work. But when you've got an asset that you can actually just go and turn back on in the short term, it's a massive win for us. So, we're looking at putting the whole pad into production next year, re-crushing the top layer, and we've got the potential to produce 3,000 to 5,000 ounces in the next 12 months. I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, and bring revenue into the company as well. It's very clever. All right, so we've got a big, last 6 weeks to the end of the year.
Yeah,
obviously, with drilling happening, going back to the White Dam Gold project, what can investors look out to hear from Pacgold next?
Oh, there's got a lot coming on. So basically, the restart of the White Dam is the irrigation. We'll be drilling the White Dam assets in Vertigo, Hannaford. The old resources are already there. We'll be drilling St George and getting those results out. We've got the geochem results, and we've also got some geophysics coming out as well before the end of the year. So a lot happening. Constant news updates going from now all the way through to Christmas. And then I think Christmas will probably have a break for a couple of weeks. And then back into it in early January next year.
All right, so there's no taking it easy between now and Christmas for you. Great to see. Listen, Matt, it's been great talking with you, and I really look forward to hearing more about your progress.
Thanks very much again, Shae, and thanks to you guys as well. Cheers.